Sikhathi sendaba zesiNdebele esinibikela zona ukusuka emzimkhulu we-SABC e-Auckland Park eJohannesburg.
Government has never refused anybody to resurface.
Baphume laba bantu basaveke from dying.
Uhulumende uthethe isifundo sokuthi uzobasiza abaphume ngemgodini abantu abamayina ngokungemthetho. Amazamazama arageleleke ngemayini engasebenziko nanyana bazingenele nje.
They are sleeping inside the shops and also washing inside the shops and hanging their clothes inside the shops.
Usomkhandlu wezokuthuthukiswa komnotho eMpumalanga usathole imkhono yehloko ngalokho akuthole impaza. Uthi abanikazi abayilandeli imithetho ebekiweko yokulawula impaza.
Nasithi siyahulupela bona abantu babotshiwe bakhona bahononelwa sekukhulunywa ukuthi icala lisuzo la lisiwe kwaMhlanga sekukhulunywa ukuthi icala lasiwe bona lokukhulunywa nini akwaziwa bona ugqitha komunye ukuphi kuyadlalwa bugobe kudlalwa ngathi.
Umndeni kaSihlalo owabulawako womkhandlu wakwaNzunza Mabhoko uAndris Mbango Mahlangu ufuna ubulungiswa ngokubulawa kwakhe. Uthi umthetho ungariyadi ngoba sekuminyaka emithathu yonke balindele ukusebenza kwesandla somthetho. Siyanamukela endabeni zesiNdebele lapha ku-SABC 1 akwande mzomkhulu. Sicangula ngezithi umengameli uCyril Ramaphosa uyokhuluma nesitshaba ebusuku nje ngamagadango azokuthathwa ukuqinisekisa ukuthi ukudla kukhethwa bakuphephile. Ukwanda kwezehlakalo zokudla okunechefu kuthethe impilo yabantwana abaningi elizweni lekhethu. Umengameli uyokhuluma nesitshaba ngo-7 ebusuku nje. Nakusenjalo kutholakele ukuthi ziphula umthetho intolo ezimbalwa edolobheni leMbobela eMpumalanga. Usomkhandlu wezokuthuthukiswa komnotho ngokusebenzisana nabanye ababelani udose phambili ihlelo lokuhlola intolo ngehloso yokuthola impahla ephelelwe isikhathi. Ihlelo leli liyingcenye yemizamo yokulinga ukwehlisa izinga lokubhubha kwabantu namagulo abangelwa imihwayo ngaphathi ukudla kuhle nangefanelo. Imphathimandla zomthetho zithethe yonke impahla engakalungi.
Bafike kwabonakala bezomthetho eMbombela bazokubhudulana nempaza ezingalandela umthetho. Kufuneka nokudla okuphelelwe isikhathi, amaphandla nganeno ngongemthetho kunye nalabo abathengisa ngokungasisemthethweni. Okhunye kokudla ekutholiweko kuphelelwe isikhathi. Usomkhandlu wezokuthuthukiswa komnotho uthi amahlelo afana nala kufanele enziwe qobe.
They are sleeping inside the shops and also washing inside the shops and hanging their clothes inside the shops. And you could see the hygiene is not up to a standard.
Omunye wabaphathi bempaza lapha kutholwe khona amazimba namaswito aphelelwe isikhathi onguhloka igama ulile ngendlela abahloli basebenza ngayo nabazokuhlola impaza zabo.
They will come inside here, check my stock for expiry dates, check my stock, which is fine, and I'm welcome to inspections. I'm welcome and I learn from inspections. But don't enforce the law on one store and ignore outside. There's street vendors that cook with the fumes of cars right next to them, but no one stops them.
Amapolisi eMpumalanga abopha abantu abambalwa.
We arrested 7 suspects. The number can rise as we continue because this is the first stop that we're having. They are charged for contravention of Immigration Act.
Usomkhandlu wezokuthuthukiswa komnotho uthi ijima lokuhlolwa kwempaza lizokuraga kuchingena kabanye abomasipalata.
Ungqongqotjhe wamapholisa uSenzo Mchunu kunye nezinye inkulu zamajoni bavakatshele eStilfontein ehlagwini iJingalanga. La abantu abamayina ngongemthetho abaziwa ngamazamazama barageleleke ngaphasi kwemayini engasebenziko. Uhulumende uthethe igadango lokuthi basizwe ukukhutshwa ngemgodini ngemva kwenkulumo kaNgqongqotjhe ngeofisini likaMengameli uKhumbuzo Ntshavheni ethi angekhe basizwe ukukhutshwa ngemayini leyo.
Iyabonakala imiphumela ehlelo likahulumende lokuqeda ukumayina ngokungemthetho elizweni elibizwa nge-Operation Vala Umgodi. Leli hlelo lathonywa umnyaka opheleleko kanti sekubotshwa amakhulukhulu abantu. Namhlanje ungqongqotjhe uMchunu nezinye inkulu zikahulumende bahlangene nomphakathi kunye nezinye inhlangano zomphakathi nezabasebenzi ukufumana isisombululo endaweni yeStilfontein. Umchunu uthi akulikwa kanondunankulu wesifunda sehlagwini eNtshingilanga uLazarus Kagisomkhosi uthi abantu abavalelekileko bazokusiza ukuhlagulwa.
Abaphume laba bantu basaveke from dying. Now so siyavumelana ngalezi zinto ukuthi one, let us work together. That's resolution number 1.
Government has never refused anybody to resurface. And what we agreed also, which is very important, is that nobody is opposed to people who, if they have committed crime, the necessary process of the law must be followed.
Ungqongqoshe uthi amazamazama la akavaleleki kodwa anaziyele.
We don't want to use the name, the word trapped, because there's nothing that has fallen to prevent them from coming up. But it just is a matter that required this understanding that we believe we have achieved.
Izakhamuzi nazo zilifumene ithuba lokuphefumula.
People from Kuma, Stefan Kanana, the only thing they know is mining. That's why when they see the hole, they will jump in and go and do what they know, mining.
A lot of us are unemployed, and therefore women resort to sleeping with these zamazamas, and it exacerbates the GBV, which is the issue that we are dealing with nationally. So I think that it's important for us to deal with the issue step by step.
Umchunu uthi imphakathi efuna ukuyokumayina emgodini yacho yazingikhampani ezimayinako ayichinge eminyangweni wezenjiwa ukufumana amaphepha azobavumela bona bamayine emayinezo.
Ekhasini lethu leFacebook siba umbono wakho ngendaba esanda kuphela le. Nakumbono wakho uyalandela mbukeli.
Umphathiswa wamapolisa kunye norhulumente angazihluphi ngabazamazama ngoba baba negolide nedayimani ngokungekho semthethweni.
Ngisho isigebengu akade sidubana namaphoyisa impela ubufakazi bukhona. Siyasilithola usizo lokuqala ukuthi-ke bese sibhekana nengalo yomthetho kwesesiluleme.
Manje ungqongqoshe wamapolisa or minister of police yena uyokwenzani la kuvaleleke khona amazamazama?
Ababakhiphe labantu phela sikhuluma ngemphefumulo. Ababakhiphe mabakuqeda ukubakhipha bababophe.
Le amazamazama yona into eseyinkinga ngempela uhulumeni kuyofanele impela asebenze kanzima.
Abavalela umgodi basemberegweni zange babakhipha. Amazamazama azingenele ngemgodini ababalise baziphumele ngendlela bangene ngayo.
Nakho njalo ukweswela amathuba omsebenzi kuyazenza izinto ezinjenganalezi.
Abantu lento abayenzayo abayithandi kodwa baphoqwa isimo sendlala ukuthi abasebenzi.
Umbono nge wombukeli SABC ayizokuthweswa umlando ukuziphendulela kombono wombukeli. Nasisaphethe emayini njalo. Imphakathi yeCarltonville eNtshingilanga yeJohannesburg ithi ithuli eliphuma endaweni zemayini linomthelela omumbi empilweni nabo. Bathi sekusikhathi eside baphila ngaphasi kobujamo obukane imphathimandla azenzi litho. Izazi zempilo ziyelelise ukuthi ukuhlala hlanu kwemayini kwandisa amathuba okuba nokugula kokuphefumula.
Uyolanda Kolwana sekaneminyaka emini aphila nobulwele be-TB. ukolwana ongunina labantwana abane uthi akakhona ukondla abantu bakhe ngonobangela wokugulokhu kanti ukholelwa ukuthi kubangwe lithuli emayini.
Ngo-2021 ugula kwami qala umphathwa sisifuba ndamane ndithatha amapilisi ke ngomabani bendicheka so ngosiyandivala samane ndolala esibhedlela nangoku ngoseyimane kudlula inyanga benye phinde ndolala esibhedlela koko kwaside sibe right ngo
kanti akusuye yedwa ulilako.
Imotolo esinayo apha iyas-affecta kakhulu ngezifuba nasebantwaneni. Xa udla nje uva ukukaka imoya ukukabaza imotolo emlonyeni wakho. Abantu abaninzi bayasweleka ngendaba yemotolo. Masithetha namakhansela, amakhansela ngomkhaya bathi xa bekuphela inyanga umuntu agoduka emakhaya akanandaba nabantu balapha ewedela.
Izazi zithi iminyaka eminingi yokumayina busilaphaza amahlelo wamanzi angaphasi komhlaba ngensila eziyingozi. Kanti lokhu kuba nomthelela omumbi empilweni yabantu abakhe eduze nemayini.
is an impact on human life. In terms of health, one can think of lung diseases or respiratory diseases, conditions like asthma coming to mind, bronchitis is also up there, a condition called COPD, these are long-term lung conditions. Silicosis also comes to mind, as well as cancer. We've seen some of the cancers associated with living around mine dumps.
Izakhamuzi zibawa urhulumente ukuthi angenelele kanti ibhalile imizamo yokufumana ikampani yemayini le ukuthi iziphendulele.
Uthokoze umsebenzi umphathimali wehlangano yezokurhatsha le SABC uYolanda van Billion. iSABC memezele ukuthi uVan Billion uyokuhamba ekupheleni kwenyanga le. Van Billion wathoma ukusebenza kwa-SABC ngomnyaka ka-2018 ngekontraka yakhe yokuthoma yeminyaka emihlanu. iSABC ithi uVan Billion ubathwele ekunzinziseni umraro wezemali okhona kile hlangano yezokurhatsha. Kanti umjaphethe izokuba nguTendai Matore bekube kumhlaba thola ozokuphatha unomphelo. Nanyana kunjalo iSABC ithi danile ngokuthokoza kwakhe kodwa iyasihlonipha isicundo sakhe. Umphakathi weSiyabuso eMpumalanga ufuna ubulungiswa ngokubulawa kwakasihlalo womkhandlu wombuso wakwaNzunza Mabhoko uAndri Simbango Mahlangu. Lokhu kuza ngemva kokubotshwa kwabasolwa abathathu ngemva kweminyaka emithathu yonke abulawa. Abasolwa abavele kwehlandla lesibili ekhotho kaMagistrata weMdutshana.
Mahlangu wadunyuzelwa ngaphambi kwakwabo eVeltevrede eminyakeni emithathu edlulileko. Ababulali bebangakabotshwa ukufikela mhlapha nje. Abasolwa abathathu babotshwe ngenyanga kaSewula. Babili batholakale kwaMhlanga kanti munye ubotshwe eWitbank. Solo basesitoksini ngemva kokuvela kwabo ekhotho kokuthoma. Bavele ekhotho ebeyizele inganabususo benyawo. Lapho abaningi babafuna ukwazi bona kuba yini uMahlangu abulawa ngesihlungu kangaka.
Ekugcineni ungakwenza konke emsitheleni. Yonke into niyenzana banengi. Solonke labo oyenze nabo basesekhona. Ningathembani ukuthi ngeke yavela ngoba izogcina ivelile.
Sijabule khulukhulu ukubona umthetho ulethe perpetrators to justice. So sijabule khulu ngesitumo basithetheko ukuthi ibill abakayitholi.
uMahlangu wabulawa ngesikhathi asebenza ngamahlelo okuvuselela isigodlo sakwaNzunza.
Icala nandi kade kwenzakele sekudlula iminyaka singazibona kwenzakala nasithi siyahulupela bona abantu babotshiwe bakhona bahononelwa sekukhulunywa ukuthi icala lisuso la lisiwe kwaMhlanga sekukhulunywa ukuthi icala lasiwe bona lokukhulunywa nini akwaziwe bona ugqitha komunye ukuphi kuyadlalwa bugobe kudlalwa ngathi.
Umndeni wakhe uthi sewuthembele emakhotho bona kube nokulungiswa.
Okwanje sisanelisekile ngendlela ikhamba ngakhona. Sijabuliswa nakukuthi kukhona la umthetho ungathi usebenzela khona.
Icala lithiliswele ngomvulo iveke ezako bona lidlulisele ekhotho kaMagistrata wakwaMhlanga. NginguThabo wakwaMthweni endabeni zeSABC ngisesiyabuswa.
Nasibuya entolo.
He just reached there. Then I get it, push, pop, gunshots, and then that's when I went down. And he went in the room. I came down. I crawled to the room.
Nguthuthumba isikiti emini nebusuku eWestbury. Umphakathi ubawa ukulanyulelwa emagengeni abaphilisa kabuhlungu. Zisakhona indaba mbukeli kanti nasikuphundileko uyazithola ku YouTube, SABC Plus, X, TikTok na ku Facebook. Izakhamuzi zeWestbury zithi sekubulewa abantu abangaphezulu kwama-70 endaweni le yasolo kuthome umnyaka lo emgurugurwini ekuthiwa batsho uhlobana namagenge. Kuthiwa batsho indlela seziphenduke isitikisephi njengomana kuthuthumba ingidi pheze qobe elilanga. Izakhamuzi zithi sezikatelele kabona zingene ngendlini cobe ngesimbi yesithandathu ntambama khona zingazukucatshazelwa zingazi nakutholana phezulu amagenge ezipini zawo eziragako.
eWestbury sebahlalele evalweni komqasa izakhamuzi nakusemnyameni khona zidlaleli kubuchophuri lapha iziphi zamagenge ezidlule nemphefumulo eminengi solo kuthoma umnyaka lo.
Say it's about 70 or more than 70 murders that has been happening in Westbury, and it's been really affecting us as a community. You know, it's been painful.
Emvekeni ntathu ezidluleko uParks nomndeni akhe bazithole bahlangana nepi pheze babhubha ngesikhathi ngichebe embili zamagenge ezilwela imkhawulazo yokuthengisa indakamizwa zilwa ngengidi. Ikulesigidi idlule ngefestiri lekamera lakhe.
He got up, he said, I'm going to the room. He just reached there. Then I could see push, 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 pop, gunshots, and then that's when I went down and he went in the room. I came down, I crawled to the room.
US Berry yathoma ukuduma ngento ezimbi ngeminyaka yama-90s ngokuthengiswa kwendakamizwa namagenge. Izakhamuzi zithi azisenathemba emapholiseni ngombana batsho asebenzisana namagenge la ngemsitheleni.
As far as that is concerned, I've witnessed it several times where policemen has taken ammunition from people that has been sold back to gangsters in our community.
Ngondaka umnyaka opheleleko ngqongqoshe waphambili wamapholisa ubheka icele walinga ukulamula ipile ngemva kokuthi kudunyuzwe kwabulawa abantu abali-13 ezehlakalweni ezisithandathu ezihlukahlukeneko. Izazithi sisombululo emrarweni lo asifuna amapholisa kwaphela.
There needs to be proactive intervention, and often we find ourselves in a situation where it's not possible proactively because of the systemic nature of what leads people to join gangs. So you'd have to come up with solutions to sort of provide young people especially with everything that the gang provides them.
Ukomchinara wamapholisa eGauteng uthi ibhizinisi enemali yendakamizwa ngiye baseli zenzwezi. Uthi kanengi abofakazi bayasaba ukuvela ngaphambili.
I have these witnesses, and the witnesses we have recently put them under a witness protection program. But some of the witnesses, when they are there, they pull out of the programs, and that makes it difficult.
Umthombeni uthi amajima adoswa phambili liphiko lezobuhloli ayaraga nakuzenzo zamagenge weSberry bafuna ukuzirothula nemrajana khona.
Namhlanje mbukelisi kucalela iphepha lesibili le-Life Sciences elihlolwa ngoMvulo ngo-9 ekuseni.
Section A will find the question 1, multiple choice, biological term, matching the column, ne-data respond. Abafundi abaningi bayenza amaphutha bu-matching the column babhala only A or only B. Bona mele babhale A only or B only. With section B, it has 2 questions, which is question 2 and question 3, which are the short questions. For question 2 and question 3, you must know all the topics up on paper 2, which is meiosis, DNA, the code of life, the evolution.
Ezemali iranda linzinzile nalinganiswa nezinye imali ezinkulu. Awande Masango zithini zamva nje zeSanral nendlela ye-R573.
Lungekosi ngizo zona ezisizipheteko esizobe sidosa ngazo phambili ngezokuthi bakwaSanral banabantu abayobafutukisa lapha ngo-R573 ngaphasi kumasipala weThembisile. Siziphetheke nezamva nje mayelana necala likandabezitha umbango wamahlangu njengoba kuyizolo abasola bekade bavele ekhotho ukuzokwenza isibawo sebheyila. Namhlanje ke nge-hour le-11 inyanga inyezi iyahlangana lokho kubizwa nge-full moon. Sobe sikhulumisana ke nogogo uLungile Mabhena ukuthi khani lokho kuhlathulula ukuthini ehlangothini le-science nehlangothini lesimoya ngefundiso yabogogo nabobamkhulu. Lungekosi lemtshada libuyele emva.
Siyathokoza akube yiphela veke emnandi. Kukhobongile.